Alright, this is my second time recording this. Couldn't hear myself in it. So I'm just going to do this as a tutorial how to spawn mobs from file. And I'm going to slowly go through everything we can put into it. I don't know everything about it, what I'm doing, but I know enough to do what I want. So that's good enough for me. And I recommend, if you don't know Java, go learn it, because I ain't teaching you it. And if you don't know how to start up on Bukkit plugins, go to the website and figure it out. All you need is the server jar. Stick with your JRE configurations. Just add external jar to it. You'll need a YML file, which contains this, except the author and author. You want to put name as the name of it, which is file mob spawner. Main class. Well, yeah, the main class where it's located, which is located in the package syscraft mods. Then that'd be the class. Like right there. No, not there. There. And for commands, you want them like this. There is indeed a space here and here. Go to the Bukkit. I think it's bukkit.org. Not sure. That's that. First thing we want to do is, you should know this if you do them, but extend Java plugin. And sorry about the keyboard, there's nothing I can do, but it's gonna be loud. That's just a warning now, before we get too far into this. Alright, we want to import that. I'm going to do Control-Shift-O, and this is the import. Next thing we want to do is public void on enable, which enables everything for you. I have everything I did in over here just so I can do it again for you. The first thing I'm going to create is public void create dir string path file equals new file path, and if file.exists equals false, then we're going to want it to create it. So we're going to do file.make directories, and we want to import everything. So here we're going to do this.create new directories path of, you can have your path in anything you want. Mine's this plugins, which is the plugins folder, and we're going to create a folder for your plugin, which mine's going to be file mobs. There, now it's going to create a file. I already have this, or a folder. It's going to just create the folder, and I already have it, so yeah. Next thing we're going to do bukkit.getServer. No, not get scheduler. It's later on. Get server. Get plugin command. We're gonna name it mob, and we're gonna want to set this to new mob this. Import it, which I already thought I did this. And we're gonna just import everything from there. Now this is all done. Moving on. You're gonna want this file, the mob file. So you can pause it, copy of everything that's here. And I'm gonna start off right now. First thing we're gonna need to do is player p equals cast player on sender, which is the command sender. Just gonna grab who sent the command. Import player. Now if cdm the string of the command name, I guess, whatever, I don't know, equals ignore case sensitivity, which is basically this. And should be named that there too. Mob. And if A, the arguments of the command string, 0, the very first thing after slash, the command, okay, it's like this. After this is R1, this is R2, or 1, 2, 3, etc. So it'd be mob, let's say, 0 being help, and this could be page number, like page 3, and so on. This being 0, this being 1. If no one knows that, just saying. Equals ignore case sensitivity. This being create for the first argument, which we're gonna be doing the create part of it, which we're gonna put public wrong place, public void create file for mob, string name, location loc, string is baby, import location, and we're gonna put create file for mob argument 0 p dot get location and a1, or no, we gotta start at 1. Okay, I described that so wrong when I did this. Mob help 3. This starts at 1, and this starts at 2. Okay, this is 0. Now that I have that in my head. But I don't think you can change one. Or, no, no, you can. Oh, no, no, okay, no, I'm still explaining this wrong. Wow. Create. Speed 0, then 1, then 2. Yeah, no, I explained it right the first time. Just annoy me. I can't explain things right. Alrighty then. This is gonna be 2. We're gonna start here with file. We're gonna just call it mob file equals new file. The path of the mob file, that's plugins, and it's file mob sound plus name plus dot yml. This be YAML configuration. We're gonna put capital just Y equals new YAML configuration, and we're gonna import everything. And file have all. Then we want to do mob file dot create new file. Then we're gonna put the try catch around it. And under that, we're gonna do y dot load. I don't know if this is needed. Mob file. It's gonna load it, and we're gonna add some to the try catch. Inbuilt configuration exception. And I don't want these two do's in there. Then next we're gonna do y dot set. This being name. This being entity name. Just the name, display name, pretty much. This we're gonna do y dot set, and we're gonna want 3 sets. We're gonna call this one position dot x. This one pos dot y. and this one at position.z. Now we'll do the loc.getx, loc.getY, and location.getz. This, oh, we're missing one thing. I want to put up here, y.set is dead, or no, is alive. And we're going to make it false when we create the file, so it doesn't spawn in right away. Well, it won't to scheduling anyways. And if it's checking if it's already alive, it won't spawn it in once we're done. And the next one we're going to do is .set is baby. And we're going to want this. Actually, what we're going to do here is if is baby dot equals or contains true, then this will be returning true. And I'm just going to copy and paste this being false, this one, because we're going to do this. Mob create name, do this so you know it's string, which is just text. The next one being is baby, which is boolean, which is true or false, I'm just going to say. And we're going to keep that like that. I'm going to space it out a bit. And we're going to do save mob file. And that should be that for creating the file. I'm going to put a p.send message. Mob was created. Spawn all or wait for next spawning. Or wait for it to spawn itself. Well, we're gonna do one more thing. Y.set time spawn.time. I'm gonna put that 0 just for now. Y.set time max spawn time. I'm gonna put that at 0 too. And I'm gonna put 2 do. Basically, this is going to be the max spawn timer, which how long it takes. Every 3 seconds, I think it's going to be. I'm going to look back in my older one and see. But every 3 seconds, it's going to take 5 off of time. And basically, this one just hit 0, or I think 5, or -5. Or, yeah, something like that. It's going to spawn it in next time the schedule is called. Why it's 0, I'm just going to say. Then, when we have it done, we're gonna basically set that time to the max spawn time and recount it. In case if you want it to spawn once, or 15 million seconds from now, or 3 days. It spawns every 3 days after death. Something like that. Anyways, we are gonna do the next part, which is basically well, I'm gonna do this. If e.0 equals contains sensitivity, case sensitivity, meaning it doesn't matter if it's caps or lowercase. And we're gonna do p. Oh no, we gotta put a help in here. and p.send message. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put it in there. Then I'm going to copy and paste it again, and take all this out, and spawn all. Just so if you ever forget, you can just take the whole and display it. And let's do this again. A0 dot lowercase sensitivity equals to this, and we're gonna do spawn all. I'm gonna call this spawn all dead mobs. P. We're gonna put player in there. Public void spawn all dead mobs. P. Oh no, it's player P. First thing we're gonna do is string world equals world. Then file temp equals file new file. And it's gonna be the path to that folder. Plugins, file mobs. I'm gonna do string temp_s equals temp.list and for until I equals 0, I is lower than temp_s.length I++. Basically, we're getting every file in that folder. So next thing we're gonna do p.send message, and we're just gonna have it string out all the file name or all the mob names or files. Either way, they're both the same. The file name is the same as the entity name, which you're only gonna be able to spawn the same name once. So yeah, there's no way of getting around that one right now. I don't really want to, 'cause I'd rather have a unique name for everything. And we're gonna do temp_s with an I in there. And we're gonna do file mob equals new file. Same thing, plugins dot file mobs. Then I'm gonna do temp_s with no extension because it's gonna get it anyways. Now then we're gonna do YAML configuration. Y equals new file. New YML configuration, which totally spelled wrong. Load mob. Now we're gonna do. Oh, we're gonna surround that. And surround this with a try catch. And remove file not found configuration or file not found exception. And we're gonna do if y.get balloon get balloon. Let's get a balloon. It's a balloon is alive equals false. So if it's not alive, we're gonna get zombie. Zombie z equals cast zombie. Zombie equals bucket.get world.spawn entity equals new location bucket.world get world and location zeros for now, that's not right. And the entity type is going to be entity zombie or entity type dot zombie. And I don't think that's right either. No, it is. Just gotta import everything. And then we're gonna do. I'm just gonna do this because I really can't be bothered. Just do double. This should be why. Apparently I'm doing it different, but yeah, you just need to do this. Then you're just gonna not do what I just did. Hit delete like it was crazy. Get X, get Y, get Z. Now we're gonna get Z dot set custom display name. We're gonna do Y dot Y dot get string entity name. Z dot set custom display name visible true. Z dot set baby. Y dot get boolean is baby. And Y dot set is alive true. So we're gonna make it alive and Y dot save mob. Hopefully I did all that right. How long has it been? 21 minutes, alright. Now we're gonna export this to a file that I already have, but I'm gonna overwrite. And I'm gonna grab my replacement. I'm gonna delete what's in there. And that's what's being recorded right now. It's the file. It's not what I want. I want Bukkit YouTube plugins, and I want to drag this over here and replace it. Then reload, make sure it's in there. And we're gonna do mob help, check. Do mob create zombie kill blah. True. Then beside that we're gonna do mob create I killed that zombie there beside me. False. Then we're gonna look and do mob spawn all. And that's not right because they both don't spawn, but I don't know why they both can't spawn them again because I don't have the event going for it. But why did, oh wow. I don't have Notepad++. So I'm just going to use this and permanently use it. True, so it's returning true. Did I put, let me see. No, I put false. Yeah, let me check my code. Let's just load. Oh. Wow. I can't believe I actually did that. Hopefully, no. I'm gonna delete these two. Put this in here. Click on wait, put it in there. Click wait longer. There we go. Now, reload. Mob create zombie 1 true. Mob create zombies craft false. Then mob spawn all. There we go. I'm gonna kill these two though, but and he dropped some stuff. Say if I wanted the zombie right here, which you see, nothing spawn right there. I can do this. I'm just gonna quickly do this. Bushcraft, then back up, and you'll spawn in there. And if you're having a server where you're only using custom spawns, do that command. Nothing else will spawn. Camera will do mob spawn as well, so no other mobs will spawn. But I can go like this. Create, no, mob create, test killer, false. Then I can, as it is, it's false. I can spawn them in still. But a lot of people probably know that already, but if no one does and they happen to see this video, oh, they learned something. Let's say you don't want XP drop. You can do that too, but not me. I'm gonna do one more thing, and it's gonna set. I'm gonna clear out. No, I'm gonna clear this out. There's gonna be no files in here. I'm gonna open up this again. I'm gonna create a new class for this. Plus, and I am gonna sneeze. And yawn too, apparently. We're gonna put this as events. I don't care if I spelled that wrong. We're gonna put on entity death. And knowing me, I don't really know how to. Yeah, okay. I just looked it up how to. I never remember those. I like to organize them too. Bukkit.get server.get plugin manager.register events equals new on entity death this and on entity death. There we go. Now I'm gonna import it, create the constructor, name this.m equals m, import main class, and we're gonna let it implement listener, and we're gonna do at event handler public void entity died, entity death event. I think it's death event. Yep, it is, and that was kind of loud. So, what did I put here for this? I don't really remember. Hold on, I'm gonna quickly look. Script, craft MMO events, death, mob death. Oh, okay, that's what I did. If e.get entity type get type equals entity type zombie, which I got import type. Then we're running string entity name equals get entity name get custom display name. Then we're gonna do kill entity name. And here we're gonna do public void kill entity string name. and file mob equals new file, the folder, which is mob file mobs, which is named .yaml, O, put it all, make sure I have this right, YML configuration, y equals new YML configuration, and of course I put T, not too surprising, and y.load mob, then we're gonna do try catch IO exception E, and I'm not handling this. And I got that literally in the wrong spot. Let me just do that. It would be so much easier just to do that. Okay. Don't really create a new file. Alright, then we're gonna do y.set is alive. We're gonna put it to false. So y.save mob. So now all that should respawn the mob once it dies. I need to do this. I need this. And I actually need to go like this. Replace it, reload. I'm gonna spawn in one right here. Mob create this craft false. Now I'm gonna do spawn all. He's gonna spawn it. I'm gonna kill him. Now he's dead, and he'll spawn in again. So that be that. Now of course you can stick this on a timer or schedule, which will be done in the next video, sadly, because I'm eating up all the time I had here. This is the second time I recorded this, and this one turned out differently. So, see you in episode 2. Bye-bye.